In this video, we are going to run a Docker container within GitHub Codespaces. First step, go to a GitHub repository. Absolutely doesn't matter what one. I just have a blank one here. I'm going to, because what we want is we just want this tab here, code. So click that. I'm going to go to the Codespaces tab and then go ahead and create that Codespace. So I was going to set it up for us. All right. Okay, so here we are. We want to be in the terminal. So, yeah, that's fine. Wow. Okay, so here's the command to run the Docker tutorial basic image. Let's break this down. Docker run, so run an image. Going to run in detached mode, so I will have access to the terminal here. This is port. The second one is from the image. You need to look up what value you have in the second, and in the first, it's what port on your side that you're going to open it under. I'm going to give it a name. It's just going to make it easier to stop later and see what I have running, but this part's optional. So let's go ahead and run that. Okay, so it doesn't find the image locally, so the first time it's going to have to download it. Great. All right, so you see this pop-up window. I don't click here. I seem to have had a lot of trouble just like opening it immediately, so I always do that. I go here to the port. You can see, yep, it's running on port 80, and if you roll over local address and you see this thing here, you're going to be able to open that. All right, so here's this application that's running. It's just a tutorial that they have. Shows you some things, so you could do that. Let's go back over here. Let's go back to the terminal. So we can say Docker PS and just list the things that are running, and you can see this is running. And because I'm in a code space, I could just close this code space, and I'm pretty sure this Docker image application is going to stop. But I'll just show you how you could stop it if you wanted. Stop. So then I need to do the name, and that's why it made it easier if I call it test. I gave it a name. Otherwise, it'd be some random thing. So now I can see. Stopped it. Okay. That's your mini lesson for running a Docker image on a GitHub Codespace.